Hey everybody, happy to see you again. I know you're thinking, why are you opening Allen and Ginter right now? Why didn't you open it when it came out? And that's because I just missed it. I can't believe it. I saw it online the other day, a box, and I thought, where is the 20 and 20 Allen Ginter that I opened? And so I went looking around and I couldn't find any. So then I started looking back through my purchases and realized I missed Allen and Ginter completely this year. How that happened, I mean, I know life is crazy right now, but how I completely missed one of my favorite products of the year, I have not an inkling. Maybe it was when I was taking a break or something. I don't know. But anyways, I had to rectify this. So here we go. Hobby box. Look for any of these three: auto, relic, rip cards, printing plate, book cards. I need a book card in my life, please. I'm not going to talk about this too much because this has already been out for a while, and I'm sure you guys that collect baseball already know what it's all about. I don't know what month this came out. I don't remember. Like I said, I wasn't, whatever it was, I wasn't on top of things at that moment. So it'll be a nice full break though. Lots of goodies. I can get it open. Oh, there's our big oversized box loader. I gotta fix my stand. Oh, this is all wonky. Well, maybe see. Alright. World's Champions. Huh. Yeah, never really. Oh, one time I did get something good out of this. One time I pulled a Benintendi. It was like a blue parallel. Was that out of Allen and Ginter or something else? I think it was. Try to get this out without damaging it. I think this would be the way to go. Easy. Oh, are you kidding me? Giant Robert rookie. Nice. So we can hold it, we can see the whole thing. Holy moly. Now that's cool. Cabinet box loader. Congratulations. Wow. Huh. Well, that's a good start, isn't it? Nice. Alright. Happy with that. Now let's get into this. What is going on? We've already got a hit. What's happening here? Alright. Oh, and there's Piazza. Nice. Davis. Alright. Our first hit is, if I can get it unstuck. Oh! Are you kidding me? Wow. I knew there was a reason I went back and bought this box. Look at that. Well, you won't find this one in my store. I love that it's a bat piece too. Holy crap, that's awesome. Wow. Need a little stand for my man here. Let's put you over here, Mike. Man, that is too cool. Nice. What a great start. Alright, Andre Dawson mini, regular back, and a Joe Mauer Field Generals. Robert box topper, Piazza base, and Piazza bat right out of the gate. Alright, Doobie, Larry, Martinez, Kikuchi. What is this? Baseball rider. So what is that a piece of? Relic that features memorabilia from Jared Carabas. Well, that's an interesting hit too, huh? Alright, our next mini is Carlton Fisk, a regular back, and a silver Digging Deep. These are always such fun boxes to open. There's just so much stuff going on in these. But this one has already been spectacular. Alright, Paul Molitor, Roberto Alomar, Donaldson, Kendrick. Another, is this a hot box? What's happening? This is my third hit in a row, unless I've just got all three and that's the end of it. I guess we'll find out. So that is a Trevor Story bat. Interesting. An A-Rod Mini. Debut to remember. Hayward. Alright. So is that all my hits? Are my hits over? What's happening? Roger Clemens, DeGrom, Gray, Palmer, oh good old Raleigh Fingers. There's a mini Citadels and what? Safe holds. Long ball A-Rod. Well, I didn't get any goodie in that one, so maybe that was it. Boom, boom, boom. And the hits are over. Alright, there's Don Mattingly, Snyder, Ted Williams, Olsen. There is a A&G back. I was looking for one. And there it is. Cute little doggy down on the farm. Dog. Just dog. Alright. Kevin Biggio. Cunha. Alzolay rookie. Bernie Williams. La Stella Mini. Petronas Towers. Joe Morgan, Little B.O., Bregman, Faro McCovey, Altuve Mini, regular back, Laureano debut, Whitey, Edgar, Jim, The Swamp, Where Monsters Live. Oh wow, this is kind of raised. Well, that's kind of neat. It's an interesting mini. Real Muto, Field Generals. Laureano, Simeon, Wong, Baseball Brit, whoever that is. Conforto, Richie Jackson, Abreu Mini, another, if I don't drop it, A&G back. Labradorite, I guess is what that says. Nomar, Rizzo, Bieber, Castillo Mini, A&G back, and Empire State Building. Tucker, Tanaka, there's a Puck rookie, Mr. Mike Trout, a Yelich Mini, that is a regular back, and long ball, Andre Dawson. Simmons, Carlton, Ricky Henderson, Clevenger, Scherzer, Larry Walker. That's a black border K-line. And down on the farm, and there's the farmer. Farmer and his dog. Andy Pettit, Luis Gonzalez, Dansby. There's a Dunn rookie. Snell, Babe Ruth. Munoz rookie mini, regular back. And a Jade rock. No, guess it's not a rock. What do you call that? I don't know. Mineral something? I don't know. Corbin, there's a K rookie. Andy Cohen, why is he in here? Olsen, Schmidt. Be the first to crack the code and win. Okay. Strasburg mini, regular back. And debut to remember. Oh. Yes. Kim rookie. Votto. Theus rookie. Benintendi. A Buster Posey mini. Regular. And there is... Oh wait. I got the Piazza Field Generals from in that last care package. Didn't I? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah, I did. That's alright. I'll hold on to it anyway. Moncada, Robinson, Mondesi, Peterson, Cepeda, Crime Dog mini, regular back, down on the farm, Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. I'm gonna complain for just a second. I wish they hadn't put all 3 hits in the first, like, 3 packs. I mean, granted, this is a product that's fun to open through and through, but still, come on, spread it out a little bit. Glaber, Jay Buhner, Lou Brock mini, regular back, and a long ball lore, Guerrero Jr. Tatis Jr., Hader, Mayu, Jose Canseco, Emmerich. Who's Emmerich? Mike Doc Emmerich, sports broadcaster. And the Shanghai Tower. Mr. Otani, Miggy, Abreu, Giancarlo Mini, A&G back, Joe Torre Field Generals. That reminds me, I am so sad about Tommy Lasorda dying. I've been sad about that since it happened. There's Marison Matthews. 2 good looking cards there. Oh, Robert rookie alert. So I've got the giant and the regular. I may put these in my eBay store together. They sure look good. I love this card design. Here's another Monsters Live in the Ocean. Stop scaring me, Topps. Ocean, swimming in the ocean's already creepy. Long ball lore, Banks. Alright, last few. I know this is a long video. But come on, it's rare to get to open full boxes anymore. Usually it's just a couple of little packs. Pudge, Goldschmidt, some kid, I think, Messina. Oh, that is an Allen Ginter Brooklyn numbered, hand numbered out of 25. Like a nice little bonus hit. Set that aside. I forgot about those, that was even possible. Look, there's Griffey. Tim Raines. Musial. A&G back. Nice. Tractor. Alright, 2 to go. Nolan Ryan. Young Nolan Ryan. Diaz rookie. Carew. Bananas. Bananas. Ramirez. Regular. And Ponce de Leon. Debut to remember. Last pack has the following. Ozzy Albies. Aaron Judge. Munoz at Gallon. Moises Alou. A Booming Cities. Jakarta. And a Steinway Tower. Wow, that's a lot of goodies. But my favorite is this. I guess maybe I should complain that I just got 3 jersey cards and not an auto, but I mean, it's kind of hard when I'm looking at this. I'm really happy about it. I don't know what this is about, but I like this Trevor Story bat. I like bat pieces. We need to bring back the bat pieces. Jersey's nice and all, but I love a good piece of bat. So, I thought this was going to be a fun break, and it was. It's kind of long, though, so I'm not going to talk too much longer. You get a ton of cards. If you want to open... I mean, to me, this is what opening a box is about. You sit here for a good 15 minutes, slowly looking through, although I was kind of rushing, so the video wouldn't be so long. But, I mean, this is what it's all about. Not these stinking-ass little boxes with, like, 3 packs in there and 15 cards total. $500 on that. Are you with me? If you're not, be quiet. Everybody take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. I love you. I'll see you again soon. Bye.